Hi guys, so today we're going to unbox another parcel we just received today, and I'm very excited because that's a gift for me from Cipri for Christmas presents, advanced Christmas presents. So I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the parcel we just received and I'm very excited. He told me that this present is one of the expensive thing and something like a latest. So, okay, I'm going to open it. I'm so excited. Oh my god, maybe he's pranking me, I don't know. Idea, but I'm not sure. Oh my! iPhone. Oh my god!
You don't need scissors for the. Like you don't need scissors for the iPhone. You can open it.
This is the charger.
Camera lens protected with something, or you took off everything from the phone? Okay. Wow.
So this is the iPhone 11 and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So see the difference.
It's not that much bigger, but the screen is definitely bigger. You can open it.
So this is my iPhone 10R and my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I don't know. This iPhone also is also nice. Look at this red. It's a kind of deep red, something like that. And we bought it last year. And now I have this new phone. And I don't know what to do. Maybe we're going to sell it or keep it. It's up to Cipri. And he bought this phone for me because I love taking photo, video, because we have vlog, and I also watch movie through my phone. I'm not fan of watching movie on laptop or TV. So that's why he bought me, because it has a bigger screen. And yeah,
Better
it's
cameras.
yeah, better camera and everything. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy I have iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you. Thank you, Cipri.